Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about free Google Ads fraud protection. Automated click fraud prevention. On the Protect PPC Pro plan, TrafficGuard proactively stops ad fraud from infiltrating your campaigns so that you don't pay for invalid traffic. Focus your time and effort on optimization and growth, and leave fraud fighting to TrafficGuard. Real-time analytics and granular insights. See your traffic quality in real time using TrafficGuard's dashboard and reporting. Drill into quality by campaign, geo, and source, and see the status of each individual click on your account for in-depth visibility. Options for team access allow you to share TrafficGuard with your team. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.